Good morning and welcome everybody. I'm here today to tell you all about my business, Pixl-cade. Some short introductions first. My name is Lewis MacRobert. Alongside me is my colleague Mark Astley. We're both second year product design students at Teesside University and founders of Pixl-cade. So gaming for a better future. We are a community interest company, a social enterprise aimed at reducing digital poverty and supporting local businesses and communities. We are an arcade rental service that connects people through gaming utilising recycled technology. Our company USP. Famous author and renowned public speaker Simon Sinek once said, "People don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it." Why we do it is to create social engagement and reduce digital poverty. How we do it? Through refurbishing donated computers and giving them a new life. What we do it through? Entertaining interactive arcade machines. So you may be wondering, what is digital poverty? Digital poverty is the divide between those with access to the internet and digital devices and those that don't. So why is it a problem? It's a problem because it hinders access to information, education, job opportunities and essential services. I think the pandemic really highlighted these issues. Access to healthcare that was extremely limited for those suffering from digital poverty, such as low-income families, the unemployed and the elderly. So that's where we come in. Our machines aim to bring people together, create awareness for digital poverty, with any proceeds or donations via our machines going back to the community. Why arcades? From the data we can see that retro gaming is making a comeback. Since 2013 there has been a steady rise in the interest surrounding arcades and retro gaming. Gaming is a language we all can understand and relate to. It's great for team building and it connects people through a common interest. So we needed to look what was on the market, what already works and how can we be different. So there are a few arcade providers out there. Here we have Arcade Geeks, Classic Arcade Machine and Pixl-cade. They offer bespoke arcades and custom builds and friendly customer support. These machines are good, but not new. Unfortunately, not much has truly changed since the 80s in terms of design, materials and components. While we, Pixl-cade, will be different. Three main ways: our style, our business model and our community. Our style. We are street, urban and modern. Retro gaming was already done. We wanted to breathe new life into the arcade world, a unique aesthetic different from our competitors and something modern audiences could relate to. Our model: retain, recycle and repair. Our business model allows us to keep costs low, reduce business waste and give new life to existing materials. Working in partnership with Furbdit, we source refurbished products fit for new adventure. Our community. We believe in giving back. That's why proceeds we generate from our arcades are cycled back into the local community. In addition, we source locally, work with local manufacturers and suppliers to create a circular economy. Trial and testing. So we did a soft launch of our 3 prototype models. We took them over to the Student Life building on Teesside campus. From the 2 days we were there, we had a blast. People really engaged with us, despite the limited access. Here's an image of myself winning a game of Street Fighter 2, and of course being very humble in victory. Customer feedback. Let's take a look at what some of our customers say. While we were over at the Student Life building, we handed out several surveys for people to fill out. As you can see, the results were quite rewarding. 75% of users give us a 5-star rating, and 25% give us a 4-star rating. The majority of people seemed to agree that our arcades were very visually appealing. There wasn't any confusion or negative feedback based on our controls. 75% of people seemed to agree that the 2-screen element was really good, with only 12.5% either not liking it or didn't realise it was even there. More than 50% of users were willing to make a small donation to a local charity in exchange for playing our arcade machines. Do you see that free gaming events can be a great way to bring people together? 100% of people agreed with us. So would people or companies consider retro arcade entertainment for social events like weddings or team building. Only 25% said no. For our target audiences, we have both domestic and commercial applications. So here's an image from The Big Bang Theory, where the gang are all trapped in some stranger's house, but they're having a blast playing arcade games. Typically, this audience is aged between 30 and 55, those with a disposable income and that love and passion for gaming. In this market, our machines can be used in a variety of ways, whether it's entertaining guests at a dinner party, connecting with the kids, or even simply decorating the man cave. But we go further. We are looking at implementing our machines in places involving social activities, fundraisers, and promotional events. We believe in this market there is much more possibilities for our machines. Work morale and well-being. We see our machines working in office spaces or break rooms for businesses and corporations. This can be ideal for work morale and team building, and overall showing that the bosses care by promoting a healthy workspace. Entertainment at parties and events. Our machines draw crowds. They entice audiences and make any event one to remember. This is great for event services, parties and celebrations. Networking opportunities. Our machines offer a unique way for businesses to connect with customers and clients. This could be an excellent option to stand out at business expos and expositions. Going even further. Promotional opportunity. Because our arcades use PCs, we're able to do more than just gaming. We can run promotional ads, furthering exposure for local businesses and our partner charities. We can help local game developers by offering them a platform to trial their games, gather data and feedback, and increase their outreach. Lastly, with us, artists, designers and illustrators can showcase their talent, shining a light onto the creativity the North East has to offer. All that we do is to support our community and create a circular economy. We are recycling old PCs, supporting local manufacturers, entertaining and bringing people together whilst giving back to the community. Costing and finance, so the fun part. Here's a quick breakdown of the direct costs it takes to build one of our machines. Things such as material, arcade components and outsourced labour. For pricing, retail will be $2,750 or rented at £275 per day. With us you get high quality gaming experience, great online support and access to our on-demand service team that takes care of delivery, repairs and setup, so you don't have to worry. Unfortunately, we cannot do this alone. We seek an investment of £10,000 to help us transform our vision into a reality. Where the funding will go. Phase 1. So this is where the funding will be allocated. Production and development. £6,800 will allow us to design, develop and manufacture 6 tower units with an additional 2 game tables. Promotion and merchandising. We don't plan on just stopping at gaming. We want to create a brand that encompasses all that we do. £400 will go towards producing t-shirts, hats and hoodies, and just like our arcades, all locally made. Storefront and website. £800 will allow us to do things such as develop our website through WordPress, establish a storefront using WooCommerce, and implement an SEO. It will also help us with any additional market material we need, such as business cards, leaflets and newsletters. Expanding even further, introducing Pixl games. This is another venture we plan on pursuing, allowing us to strengthen our brand and offer even more to our users. Our games, our brand and our IP. So here's a little demo of what we have so far. We will collaborate with various local developers. £2,000 of the funding will go towards things such as software development, creating a game selection menu and producing 5 Pixl branded games of our own. Phase 2. Our future plans. We plan to have our own in-house service team to streamline our operation. This will handle things such as delivery and setup, any repairs that may be needed, maintenance, and offer great customer service and support. The Pixl service team will provide various job opportunities and employment, increase economic growth, and once again tie into our goal of promoting a circular economy within the Northeast. Pixl-cade's next steps. We have made arrangements with a wide lobby, an exclusive gaming space for hardcore gamers located in Captain Cook Square, Middlesbrough Town Centre. We could potentially have up to 5 machines running here during the soft launch in October. This will give us excellent testing data for our machines in a real life environment, help with the promotion for the grand opening, and strengthening our relationship for the future. We have plans at Aminex, the International Festival of Animation, VFX and Games. We have booked 2 spaces for our machines from the 6th to the 10th of November, allowing us to interact and entertain users, test run ads to promote both the event itself and our partner charities. This is also a means for us to network and collaborate with developers and potential clients. So here we have a few companies we're in talks with. There is Nick over at Project Escape, who is a former Launchpad member, several game developers such as Omniplay, Northrack and Dink, all great lads and lasses that we're excited to work with in the near future. So I know it's been quite a lot to take in, but to summarise what we do over at Pixl-cade, we connect people through gaming, through recycling old technology in order to support and benefit our community. I just have a short video to show you before we leave today. Thank you all so much for your valuable time. We truly do appreciate it. Please follow us at pixlcade.co.uk. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Goodbye and thank you.